So till now we have seen how to make event posters, and what else we have seen through? We have seen how to make posters, how to make quick PPTs. That one is still remaining, that we will do. And I think that much only now. Anything else? Who else attended full? Arundan Pro?
Proji?
I think that much only we have covered now.
Yes, Proji.
So, Pruji, I would like to ask also, how many of you did the homework, yesterday's homework of making a poster for Well Education Contest? Anandan Pru, you?
I have started Proji. I did not complete, but I have started it.
Okay. Who else is there? So, Pru, you have to complete it, because for today I have given the poster which we have made together. And now from next day, like from tomorrow, all of your poster will be required.
Achha, okay, Proji.
Yeah, so please do it by today. Who else is there? Gopi Pru, you did? Gopi Pru is speaking on mute.
Prabhu, sorry, Prabhuji.
Yeah, yes, Pru. Did kya?
Prabhuji, I started but not did fully, Prabhuji.
Yeah, no need to make very professional poster. Simple poster will also work.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah, and please do it by today or by tomorrow maximum.
Prabhuji, sure.
Oh, what about Sai Kiran Pru?
Prabhuji, he's in some relatives have some problem, health issue. He's take care of him. I mean, he's taking care of them.
Okay, okay, no problem.
He will take recording, Prabhuji.
Yeah, sure. Who else is there? Pru? You did? Acha, he'll not be able to speak today. He told his father is around. So I cannot turn on mic. Yeah. So at least you can write in chat box. And Pruji, Sandeep Pru, you did kya?
No, Prabhu.
Why, Pruji? It's very important.
Actually, I didn't got the time. Now you are telling that by tomorrow we have the time. I'll make it. Sure.
Yes, Pruji. By tomorrow we can make, Pruji, one. Okay, Vaibhav Pru is saying he tried on his phone, but it was not possible to add each and everything on the poster. Okay, Vaibhav Pru. Well, whatever you have tried, simple, just, yeah, I understand, because so many images are there, so many details are there that you may not be able to post. But whatever minimum is possible, you can try to do. Yes, Pru. So we'll start. So what I have thought for today, that I will tell you some of the techniques in Microsoft PowerPoint, how to make like those details, how we can make in a poster. Some of them I have already shown you yesterday, but some of them I have shown you abruptly. I have not told you anything about them. So today I will tell you what all tools are there in PowerPoint, that's it. And how we can use them effectively to make a poster. And for today, you can take the same homework project. Please make it the poster. That is really very important actually. Don't take it so lightly. I can understand yesterday was Friday, so you all may be having some work, but please try to make it by today. Even if not very professional, that's fine. At least something we can make project to post. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay, yes, Proji, hope you are able to see my screen, Proji. This is one of the quick poster I made today afternoon. We had one session tomorrow by our Tushar Pru. So he'll be giving that session here for Kanpur. So I just made it very quickly with this poster. So this is very simple, and some techniques I have used to make it. So I will show you, Proji, today, and also some of the techniques which I was mentioning yesterday regarding how we can add images in PPT. So even if someone is seeing this our meeting today first time, he will understand many things, because we will try to go from basics like that. And I hope, Pruji, why I am taking this now, because I have told you many things in great hurry. So I thought maybe if you have not got some of the things, we can again revise them up today like that. So I will open a new slide. So here, Pruji Amal Hari Pru, we are doing poster designing in Microsoft PowerPoint. That is a very easy way to make posters. Again, so let's say that you are able to hear me.
Yes, bro.
Okay. So Pruji, I'm opening my new presentation, one new page in PPT. Simply the first step which we used to do is that we used to go to design, and then I have three options here. All the three options are very important. In case you want to take a screenshot, you want to write down, that is also fine. First one is slide size, second one is format background, and third one is design ideas. So I have told about these two. Third one I have not told, design ideas. Even this design ideas option is also very useful. In case I want to make some quick page, then I can do by this. So I will show you, Pruji. Let's take, I am taking a slide size of 4:3. So that way it is adjusted, and I'm taking a format background here of picture, and I'm inserting an image. I have downloaded some time back one image, this one, and I will simply insert it. So like this, I have one image for me in the background in PPT. So now I will show you, Pruji. I will just take a text box. So for text box, we will go to insert, and here is a text box. So I will take a text box and simply write, let's say I am writing Krishna consciousness, KC, is adventurous life. Adventurous life. Like that I am writing. So now I will simply, now I'll show you one very amazing thing. We can simply go to design ideas. So I will go to design ideas. And then it will show me some, it should have, I will maybe increase some size a little bit. Then I will again, somehow it is not showing, Pruji. Generally we get this option, design ideas, like, okay, I get it why I'm not getting, Pruji. So what I will do, I will simply go to format background, and I will not take anything. I have simply this one line, Krishna consciousness is adventurous life, and I will insert this image, Pruji. So if I will insert this image like this here, then I will get design ideas like that. So you can see in design ideas, I will get so many templates already. Like in case,
Sir, how did you inserted the image?
Sir, Prabhu, can you redo this? Your voice is breaking.
I'm breaking.
Pruji, work. Okay, Pruji, just give me 1 minute. I'll put LAN cable.
Okay.
Then it will be little good.
Just he copy image and he paste in the this in the post in the that. Normal copy paste, I think.
Yes, Pruji. Now is it audible, Pruji? Hare Krishna.
Yes,
Now
bro.
it's clear, Pruji.
It's clear, huh? Thank you. I just put one LAN cable. If it again breaks, please let me know, Pruji. I will tell again. So what I simply did, Pruji, I went to insert, and then here is the option pictures. So I went to pictures, then I can simply browse from my.
Okay. Insert the picture. Okay, not the background.
I already downloaded that previously. and I did that. So now when you will simply go to design options project, I can see many nice templates already designed for me. So what I thought I will take first one is very good project. So now it has already given me very nice template. Krishna consciousness is adventurous life and one image like this and like this. So till now I have shown you 3 options project. In design we went, and then slide size, format background, and design ideas. These 3 options I have shown you. In slide size you can also make a slide shape of your choice. You can simply go to custom slide size, and then you can choose, like if you want to increase the width, if you want to decrease the height, and simply okay, and maximum it will change accordingly like that. Fine project. And then in format background I have shown you. In format background we have many options project, but I have shown you only one option, that is I'll go to picture and text texture fill, and I will simply insert one image. So now what is the difference between the two? If I'm using a format background option and inserting an image like this, or I'm simply going to a insert tab and then inserting pictures. So the difference in both the options is that while I'm inserting an image, I can still drag and drop and do something on it. But while I'm doing a format background, then I cannot do this. I cannot do this. It will be fixed on the background, and then I cannot make any operations on it. It is like I have pasted an image on the background, but while I'm using insert, it is only there like that.
Prabhuji, this design ideas, this thing is not coming.
It's not there in your project?
Yes, Prabhuji. Like simply you did insert and the pictures, right?
Prabhuji, I did insert and pictures, and you can see, you can go to design, that whether you have this option in your version of PowerPoint. It should be design ideas there.
Okay, it is not there. Only 2 are there: slide size and format background.
Okay, so Prabhuji, generally Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 onwards, I think they are having this option.
Okay.
Otherwise, no problem, Prabhuji. The same thing you can design yourself also.
Yes, bro. Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji. So now I have shown you these 3 options, Prabhuji. Now I will show you one very amazing thing, Prabhuji. Shapes, I will show you. So let's say I am having a new slide now again. Simply. Now I have deleted that. I will go to design and I will take a size. I want a square, let's say, shape. So I will simply go here and I will change it to, let's say, 1414 I want. So I will keep it 14 and 14 and okay, and maximize. So now I have a square sheet with me that I did from slide size option like that. So now I will simply show you shapes. So shapes are very important in PowerPoint. We have some fixed shapes actually here. That much only we can use, but they are quite enough. We can use them nicely. So let's say I'm taking a shape of this one. I'm taking, let's say, because if I'm designing a poster, I will need this shape. So I'm just inserting this shape, and I can change also. Like, let's say I want to decrease the width. I want to increase this like this. So I can simply do it, and I can write something like this. So let's say I'm writing Radha Madhav. These are the names of deities here in Kanpur. Radha Madhav, like that. So I have written this. So now it's there. Now I told you one more thing, Prabhuji. In order to explore all the options available for a particular element in PowerPoint, we will simply click on it and then we will go to format. Now, when I will go to this format tab, this format tab will be visible only I have clicked. Let's say I have clicked outside. Now the format tab is not visible. I will simply click on it and format tab will come. I will go to format tab and I have all the options I can do on this particular element. So let's say one very important option in PowerPoint is I have to change the color, how it will appear. So let's say I'm taking a slide size of, let's say this one. Shape outline, I will take similar something. Let's say I will take this one as shape outline. Generally, we don't take shape outline, but in case we want to make it more beautiful, we can take. And let's say I want to increase it a little bit like this. And then comes the text. I want to, text fill is fine. And then text effects I can give. You can go to text outline in case you want to give some text outline. That is also fine. And text effects are there. Many effects are there, Proji. You already know many of them. I can apply some shadow. Let's say I'm giving this one, or I can apply the reflection. Let's say I'm giving this one, or I can apply the glow if I'm giving this one. And then I can apply 3-dimensional rotation. These are there like that. And the last one is transform. If I want to transform them into different ways, that also I can do. So it will be very good if you can explore all of them, Proji. Now the Radha Madhava is not visible. So I will simply go to Home tab and I will increase the size of it. So now it is visible to some extent, Radha Madhava, like that. So now I'll show you something which I have not told you till now, Proji. While inserting pictures, what all we can do. Let's say I'm going to insert, going to pictures, and I have downloaded some of the images already. Let's see, I'm taking this one. So now this is one image I have taken, Proji. So what all operations I can do on this image? So one very important operation is I can crop it. So I can directly crop in my Microsoft PowerPoint. I will simply go to crop, and whatever size and shape I want, I can crop it like this. I can adjust like this, and I will simply click outside and it will be done like this. So this is cropped. Now I can also, if you will click on the arrow just below the crop option, then you can find out there are many options. Crop is the same which we have just taken, then crop to shape. So this is very nice one. Let's say I want to crop it to an eclipse. So I will simply go and it will crop this image to eclipse. Or let's say I want to crop it to cylinder, like this it will be. But of our use, let's say like this. I had simply cropped it. Now when you will crop, Proji, again all the options of shapes you will get. Like I want to change this arrow size, whatever like this, I will get. And then I will go to format only. You can change also, Proji, like these are the different, what we say, already present options, what we can do with photo. Now you might have seen when I have selected that, then I could not continue with my shape, which I have cropped. And that's fine. There is no problem in that. I will simply go to picture effects. If you want to give some picture border, that also you can give like this. You can give some picture border. You can give picture effects. So these are different picture effects, but I think they are like this. I can give shadow if I want to give to picture, reflection if I want to give, glow if I want to give. Glow is the most required one that we generally use many a times. Soft edges is also very important. If I want to make it soft edges like this, that also I can do. Sometimes this also is very useful, soft edges. And then these are the options we have already seen, Proji. Picture layout. Yeah, Proji, I will show you now this one. So now I have told you regarding pictures, Proji, how we can do in pictures. Like you might be remembering one poster we have made yesterday. So in that we have used this option very often, how we can crop an image, how we can insert an image, how we can crop an image to a particular shape, let's say circle or any other shape like that, that we have used, Proji. Now I'll show you one more very nice thing in PowerPoint. That is our smart art. This you might have seen many times when people make PowerPoint presentations in companies and all. They use it very often, smart art. So let's say I'm taking some smart art. Let's say I'm taking this one. So now I have got these 3 circles and I have got something text to write. So if you go on this Proji, you can add also as many circles you want. So you can simply go to add shape after. So like this, it has added something. I can increase the size and I can also increase the, I'll go to format. Okay, I'm already on format and I can change the particular pattern in which it appears. but where it will come. It should have come here, really. Size, arrange. Yesterday I was seeing this. I was supposed to add this same to our poster, VEC poster. In this, I should have got it here, but I think some problem is there. Okay, no problem. Let's say I'm keeping it here somewhere. And then again, I clicked on it. Yeah, it is in design project, sorry. So sometimes you will get two tabs also. Like here in this case, I'm getting along with format tab, design tab also I'm getting project like that. So in this, I can change it to different aspects like this. I think this one is fine. So if I will keep it here, I can add some image here. How I can add? I will simply do right click. I will go to fill and then picture. Let's say I'm taking some picture from my laptop. Let's say I take this one. So it has added one picture here in this. Similarly, here also right click, fill, and then picture like that project. And simply if I want to write some text here, that also I can write. Hare Krishna. If I will enter, it will automatically get adjusted like Hare Krishna like that. Similarly, here also I can add some image. Here also I can add some image, can put like that. So in smart art, you will get many options, Proji. Like here is our smart art. In insert, we will get it. In insert, smart art. And then you will get many options. Let's say I'll take the first one only. So like this, I can fill. And then here also I will get many design ideas. Like this, I want to put like this. It depends actually how we want to use them. We can use them accordingly, Proji. Like that. So this was one Proji. I also wanted to show you one more thing, just one last thing I will show. Let's say I'm selecting everything and I'm just deleting it. Now I have one clean picture in front of me. Now I will show you, Proji, that recently I designed one Ekadashi poster. You might have seen, Proji, that we have done, of course, together. But then I did some changes on it. It was looking very beautiful. So one last thing I will show you for today, that is also like related to pictures, how we can add pictures to our PowerPoint. Pruji, I know I may be going little fast. I don't know about Amal Haripru, how much Pruji you are able to catch up. Is it fine, Pruji?
Yes, Prabhu, it is absolutely fine. In fact, for the very first time, I was wondering, I'm waiting when you will give me an assignment to do.
Okay, thank you, Pruji. I will give you many assignments, Pruji.
No, don't give me many assignments, Prabhu.
Yeah.
There will be a problem.
I'm just joking, Pruji. Don't worry. Yes, Pruji. So I will give one last thing for today. Now we will insert one picture, and let's say I'm inserting Krishna's picture only, like that day we inserted that one, Krishna with cow. Where is that? Okay, it's not here. Designing. This one, Proji. So now I have inserted this picture, Proji, here. Now I will show you. I will tell you one very nice technique, Proji. If you want, you can write it down as well. While you make any poster in future, this technique will be very useful, and it's very simple. I have simply added a picture here. I will adjust the shape. Now I will show you, Proji. I will go to soft edges. This option is very amazing, soft edges. And then I will go to soft edges options like that. So now here I will increase this size to full. Now if I will do it, then you will find that my image has edges have become very soft like that. Now in this case, if you will add a background color to my the sheet, then it will look very beautiful. Like I will simply go to design, format background, and I will go to the first option there, that is solid fill, and I will fill it with some nice color like this. You might be remembering we have designed Ekadashi poster the same way like that, or some other. We should choose such color. It should be in synchronization with the photo. Like this color which I have choose just now, it's not at all in synchronization. So I will choose maybe this color This color is very good, Proji. It is in somewhat synchronization with the photo. Like that. One meeting is going on. One meeting. Yes, Proji. So like this, Proji, and I can decrease the size also if I want to further, let's say like this. And then now anything I can write on it. So I will simply go to text box. I will take a text box here and I will write, let's say, Krishna Janmashtami, because the Janmashtami is coming. Krishna Janma Ashtami. AS. Like that, Proji. And all those options which I have shown you already, Proji. Krishna Janmashtami. I will simply increase the size of it. I will take a font. My favorite font I will take, Black Canary. That font is not there, Proji, in PowerPoint actually. You may have to download it. This is very good font, Black Canary. This I downloaded recently. So Krishna Janmashtami, like this. And because it's a dark background, it's not visible. So I will take a light color to fill it, maybe white color. And then I can add a glow to it. Simply go to format, text effects, glow, and some glow I can give like this. Krishna Janmashtami, like that, Proji. So this one option I wanted to show you, soft edges for pictures. Like this, you can add any image, Proji, and that will look very perfect on any kind of background you take. Like this, it will look very beautiful. And you can add some more images also if you want. You can add some text here on this, and then we can make nicely. So someone is posting in chat.
Prabhu, can you re-show the option wherein the background was of Krishna Janmashtami was changed?
Yes, Proji. So Proji, very simple. I showed you in starting. We go to design, and then this we have three options. These three options are very different: slide size, format background, and design ideas. So I simply format background, and I went to the first option, that is solid fill, and I simply choose one color.
No, Prabhu, that I understood. I mean, the Krishna Janmashtami background is glowing. How did you do that?
Okay. Yes, Proji. So Proji, very simple. As I told in starting as well, that on anything I will click, I can go to the format tab and I will have all the options like related to that.
Okay.
I have clicked on the text Krishna Janmashtami. I went to format and I simply went to text effects, and then in this, and I can glow like this.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yes, Proji. So Proji, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prabhu, to you for extending this session to us.
No, Proji, all of us wanted to learn. That's why. So Proji, I suppose things are very clear now for those who are attending, like for last week. Yes, Arundan, Pro.
Nothing, Proji. Yes, I'm just wanted to confirm.
Actually, you sent something in chat also, na?
Nothing. It was that time. Now it's not relevant.
Okay. Yes, Proji. So homework will remain the same, Proji. We are designing one value education contest poster that we want to post for our preaching there in Hyderabad. So one we have designed yesterday. I think many of you have already seen. I will show you also. Screen share. Yes, Proji, in poster designing. So this is the poster we have designed yesterday. Maybe PDF I can open, Proji. So Proji, you can see I did some changes on it. You might be remembering our background was different. So I found some nice background. I put that, and then value education contest I had taken upwards. And then you can see this round circle. This I simply choose from shapes and then gave this yellow color to it. And all the images I had put, and simply for them I have taken one photo and cropped them to a shape of circle. And all other is very simple. We have just taken text box and have put at different places in poster. So yesterday I had shown this to Prabhuji also, our Tarun Mohan Prabhu. He appreciated very much. He told this is the best poster for well education contest till now. So I told Pruji, yes, Pruji, we have made all in our class only today, like that. So we can make Pruji something like this. Just take one nice background and text box and some images, and we'll just arrange them so that it will look beautiful, like that, Pruji. Pruji, any questions? I'm stopping otherwise.
No problem, I'm good.
Okay, Pruji, thank you.
Thank
So
you, Prabhuji.
thank you, Sandeep Pruji, for attending regularly. I told yesterday to Pruji that Sandeep is attending regularly. He became very happy. Yes, Pruji. But Pruji, you have to do homework now.
Yes, sir. Today I'll do like before tomorrow evening.
Yes, Pruji. Thank you so much. I would like if all the devotees can put video on for a while, if possible. I think for Sandeep Pro, it's not possible, na? Yeah, Arundan Pro is sitting at same place every day. Jaho, Amalari Pro.
Hare Krishna.
Amal Hari Prabhu also
Hare Krishna,
home.
Manananjan Prabhu.
Devotees are doing very nicely. Vaibhav Pro will not put, I know, today. Some problem is there. Praveen Pro, Happy Diwali poster.
Gopi Prabhu, you are on mute.
Yes,
Gopi
Prabhuji.
Prabhu is there.
Video, Praji, video. Achha, for you also not possible, na?
It is possible for me, Prabhuji.
Oh, nice background, na? How you got green background?
This green screen.
Okay, okay. Yes, Praji. Thank you very much. We have another session at 6 o'clock. For that, we will go now. So we'll meet Pruji tomorrow. Time, if devotees can suggest. Praveen Pro is making too much noise. So I had muted him. Yes, Pruji. What time, Pruji? All of you will prefer tomorrow? I think we have Utkarsha class at from 2:30 to 4, na? Same time. Tomorrow also.
Yes, sir.
So then we can. Sandeep Pro, what happened? Achha, achha,
When he
okay.
gets noise.
Yes, yes, Pruji. So, Pruji, time first half we should keep or second half?
Anytime is good, Prabhu.
Okay. So I will post tomorrow then, Pruji, what time is feasible. That time we all can connect.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, Pruji, thank you so much for your time.
Thank
So much,
you.
Prabhu.
Tomorrow, a humble request, please try to do the homework for making that well education contest poster. Pruji, Amal Hari Pru, I will send you that image. You can try to make something similar.
I took a screenshot of it, Prabhu,
Which one?
of the value education contest that you were
Okay.
showing on the screen.
Yes,
So I
Pruji,
took a
fine.
screenshot
That's fine.
Reference. Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, Pruji. Thank you so much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
So we'll meet tomorrow, mostly same time, or otherwise I will post. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.